Hi everyone, today we're going to show you a very simple DIY project, a LED that gets brighter when the ambient light goes down.
It's a great little project perfect for the nightlight or wedding lamp, and it is very easy to build. Here are the components we are using: RGB LED, one photoresistor, one ESP32C3 mini WIMOS, a few jumper wires, and a resistor. Check the link in the description for the component.
In our video, we will have a 3D printed case combined with paper for a more DIY look. If you want a flawless result, you can also use a 3D printer case like the one shown in the description, but this is entirely optional.
The writing is very simple. The RGB LED is connected to pin GPO7 on ESP. The photoresistor is connected to analog in A0 on ESP.
Just follow the Robin diagram shown on screen. No advances or skills are required.
Once all the components are connected, we plug the ESP into the PC, access the WLED interface, click on Install, select the ESP COM port and click Install WLED.
Once the installation is complete, you may be asked to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the step until the Visit Device option appears. This will give you access to the WLED interface.
Then simply go to Config and click on LED Preference, then scroll down to the button 0 GPO, configure the GPO to 0 and set it to analog and save it.
When the ambient light decreases, the LED will automatically brighten.
To make the project look nicer, we designed a small 3D printer case.
It protects the electronics and gives a clean, finished look, but you can also keep the circuit open. The 3D design is available in the description of the video. Now let's test it. When we cover the light sensor, the LED gets brighter, and when the chin light on it, the brightness goes down, it reacts instantly.
Furthermore, when connected to the Wi-Fi network, you can add lightning effect and change the color.
Here is the final result, a smart LED that adapts to the ambient light. It's simple, useful, and easy to customize with different colors or design.
That's it for the DIY project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY tutorials.
Thanks for watching and have fun building your own version.